3, 2, 1.
Which molecule is responsible for muscle contraction? The answer is D, myosin. Which political leader was known as Uncle Joe? The answer is A, Stalin. What is the chemical symbol for sulfur in its pure form? The answer is B, S8. I'm light as a feather, yet even 5 or 6 of us can weigh a ton. What am I? The answer is B, goose down. I have feathers, but I don't fly. What am I? The answer is D, clarinet. When I've had a bit of and did it of these wag carrot of a care, I did it but that the two I have here. What am I? The answer is B, coal. What is the famous series of paintings featuring landscapes with broad brushstrokes? The answer is B, The Starry Night. How did Socrates die? The answer is D, he was poisoned. What does a thermometer measure? The answer is C, temperature. What is haute couture known for? The answer is D, handmade clothing. What usually occurs over a period of many years? The answer is C, rock breaking. 4 materials are put into small containers. These materials are then moved from the small containers into larger containers. Which material will spread out to completely fill a larger container? The answer is A, air. What measurement is used to describe the amount of water vapor in the air? The answer is C, humidity. Which Greek hero was known for his strength and was sentenced to immortal slavery by Hephaestus for stealing Peleus' wife? The answer is A, Heracles. I'm made of metal and wood, but I have a voice that's loud. What am I? The answer is B, robot. Which language was the first to use a form of punctuation? The answer is A, Chinese. Who directed Return of the Magnificent Seven, the first sequel to The Magnificent Seven? The answer is B, Burt Kennedy. I'm played in water, not with a ball. What am I? The answer is A, water polo. Reactive elements are able to combine more what with other elements? The answer is A, easily. Most motions in nature follow rather than straight lines. The answer is A, curved paths. Who was the first performer to have both the Billboard #1 and #2 album? The answer is A, Bob Newhart. Which characteristic of motion could change without changing the velocity of an object? The answer is B, the position. Coal is a natural material formed from ancient organic compounds. Which element is least likely to be found in a sample of coal? The answer is C, silver. I'm sharp and slices but never talks back. What am I? The answer is A, knife. Who is the author of The Color Purple? The answer is C, Alice Walker. What type of meat is the German dish Hasenpfeffer traditionally made from? The answer is D, rabbit. I can last a lifetime but cost less than $1. What am I? The answer is D, tear in a movie poster. What country has the longest coastline in the world? The answer is B, Russia. I'm the head of a nation, yet my body is not whole. What am I? The answer is B, Prime Minister. What do you use to peel vegetables? The answer is B, peeler. What happens to the wire in a fuse if its current rating is exceed? The answer is D, it melts. Which Norse god was associated with thunder and lightning? The answer is C, Thor. Who won the men's singles at Wimbledon in 2021? The answer is A, Novak Djokovic. A. What is the name of the group of the 4 Australian entertainers on Playhouse Disney who sing and dance and ride in the big red car? The answer is B, the Wiggles. Invented by Tim Berners-Lee, what is this World Wide Web? The answer is D, Internet. The word hurricane comes from the name of a Caribbean god Huracan. Huracan was god of what? The answer is A, the storms. Alkenes react with what to form dihalides? The answer is C, halogens. Which fashion designer was known for his new look which emphasized women's curves after World War II? The answer is A, Christian Dior. Which emperor created Imperial China? The answer is C. Qin Shi Huang. What interesting nickname was coined for the U.S. state of Missouri? The answer is B. Show me state. I write without hand. What am I? The answer is C. Mountain. What do you use a vacuum cleaner for? The answer is D. Vacuuming carpets. This is the only country whose name is a palindrome. What an I. The answer is D. Lebanon. If a man's new car can be charged at a charging station, what is this termed? The answer is A. All of these. Who was the NBA Finals MVP in 1979? The answer is D. Dennis Johnson. What year was declared the International Year of the Potato by the United Nations? The answer is B. 2008. What is the study of the structure and behavior of materials at the atomic level called? The answer is C. Material science. Which trait does a puppy inherit from its parents? The answer is A. Fur color and pattern. Which explorer realized the first known successful attempt to circumnavigate the Earth? The answer is C. Ferdinand Magellan. Which of these cars does not appear in the film Redline?